Hi there, welcome to BITBEE. My name is Tirupati Rao. I'm an experienced web developer. As part of our data structure series, so far we have learned about linear data structures such as array, linked list, stack and queue. In all these data structures, we have seen that the data elements in these data structures were accessed sequentially. If you missed to watch these linear data structure videos, I would like to recommend you to watch it once and come again. I have commented the video links for these linear data structures in the description. Now it's the time to dive into the other category of the data structures that are nonlinear data structures. So in this category, trees and graphs comes under nonlinear data structure. First we will explore tree data structure, and this video is dedicated to tree data structure and its roadmap, that is in future what we are going to learn under tree data structure. Before deep diving, please subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed, and please don't forget to share the channel with your friends. Tree is a nonlinear data structure, and we can also say it's a hierarchical data structure. Here you can see in the diagram, data elements were arranged from top to bottom. The top element is known as root of the tree or a parent node, and all the middle level nodes are parents for their next level children, or they can be called as a child for their higher level. This kind of hierarchical level structure of tree allows for efficient searching, insertion, deletion and traversal operation on data. So as of now, please just remember these basic terms of the tree. Now let's explore the roadmap. So as part of the roadmap, first we have to explore different types of trees available. So we have binary trees, binary search trees, AVL trees, red-black trees, B trees, trie trees, and there is a very special kind of trees called heap trees or binary heaps. All these trees categorized into different types based on number of childs available to their parent, or based on the rule, the way the elements were inserted into these trees. Some are meant for frequent insertion and deletion operations, whereas some are specially designed for frequent search operation. Then next we have to explore the traversal algorithms, that is depth first traversal and breadth first traversal algorithms. These are very important and basic algorithms which we use to traverse the trees. Then we'll explore very common operations on binary search tree, that is insertion, deletion, searching and traversal operations. Then we'll dive into the important topic that is called balanced trees. Under this we have two kind of trees, that is AVL trees and red-black trees. Then next we will explore about advanced tree operations, that is B tree insertion and deletion, trie operations, heap operations, that is usually insertion, deletion and heapify. You don't worry all about this now, that is different kind of trees and operations on those. We will deeply explore each and every terms. And finally we will explore about the applications of different kind of trees. Also we'll see what are the different tree challenges and interview based questions. That is all about the roadmap of tree data structure. Please subscribe to the channel to stay connected for the future videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.